Alright guys, in this episode of My RC Live, we're going to torture test the Hobbywing XR14 ESC to thermal shutdown. I've set this car up here with a 10.5 turn Thunder drift motor with an internal fan. The idea is that we'll be able to overgear this car, run the crap out of it, and not have it be the motor that overheats. We're going to run this car on a track with the ESC fan disconnected and see how long it lasts. This XR14 is supposed to be a decent ESC for 10 scale on-road racing also, but focus more towards blinky. But we're going to run it until it overheats. 40 degrees of turbo timing, and this motor also has 30 degrees of end bell timing. Follow along, let's count the laps together, see how long it lasts, and it does thermal at the end, but check out how long it actually lasts. Alright, we got Wayne on the hot dog Camaro. The not legal for anything car. We'll see how that goes. I have a feeling it might traction roll. We'll see. We'll see how this goes.
Unknown driver.
Freight goes all business over here with the exception of our pit area.
$22.4. $15.8. $15.5. $14.6. $14.7. $14.3. $14.6. $13.9.
Yeah!
$13.6.
Nice!
$13.6. $15.2. $13.8.
Phew! It's definitely a little rocket.
$15.7. $14.1. 13.7.
You and your 13.7s.
It's kind of fun, actually.
A way overpowered,
Yeah.
mildly poor handling car.
14.8.
Yeah, like slide going in the corner.
Fourteen two. Thirteen nine.
This is the torture test for the ESC also. Sorry, the XeRun XR14 ESC.
15.2.
It's running about 60 degrees of boost on a 10.5 turn drift motor in a touring car.
14.4. 13.7.
Nice.
Thirteen seven. Fourteen three.
Takes too much concentration. Okay, I'm going.
Okay.
22.9. Fifteen five.
Definitely does it in style.
Fifteen flat. Fifteen flat.
Nah, it's alright.
Fifteen four.
Is that it for the pack?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, it might also be overheated. I have a shit ton of timing in it.
That time will probably pick up now the battery's dead.
Ooh. Alright, well, what'd you think?
Oh, that's a TT-02?
Yeah, it's a TT-02.
We got mid-13s with it.
Alright.
That goes to show you, put a big enough motor and good tires on it and anything works.
Right. 10.5 turn TT-02. XeRun XR14 torture test. Seems like it did pretty good. It probably dumped the battery or it overheated, but let's go find out. Well, guys, at 7 minutes, 10 seconds run time, before it overheated, with this 10.5 turn motor, pretty much just running it hard like it was on a racetrack. It certainly lasted as long as it would need to survive a race heat before it overheated. I still had the thermal shutdown protection on, so you'd still get through a race and not burn down your ESC, at least with a 10.5 turn, with a lot of boost. I mean, 40 degrees of turbo timing is usually enough to make a motor pretty hot. Plus the 30 degrees of end-mill timing, with a total of 70 degrees of timing in this thing. I have to admit, it's a pretty stout ESC. I would still recommend going with their stock spec ESC for 10 scale racing. It does seem to be a little bit more of a compact platform than the XR14, and the cost difference is a little bit more negligible than you would imagine. It's also an 80 amp ESC versus a 70 amp ESC, and I believe that the burst rating, I'm gonna put a screenshot here of the two ESCs of their specs, and you guys can judge for yourself. I'll leave a link to the XR14. XR? Yeah. You might notice I called it the ZR14 ESC throughout the video because I kept calling it the ZR14. It's an XR14 by Hobbywing. I'll leave the link in the description below. But anyways, if this video was valuable to you, if it helped you make a decision, please leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and of other RC content. There's certainly a lot more to come. Alright guys, God bless. Have a good week.